guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody if you're new here. So this is going to be part of my back to uni move-in vlog. So I'm going to start it today, which is the 14th of September. I'm leaving tomorrow, but today I've not packed like a single sock. There's nothing in any suitcase. So yeah, I'm going to take you through my entire like prep and then moving as well. I'm going to go work out and then we're going to start the day. Hey guys, so it is a few hours later. It's basically 12. I was meant to leave my house at 12, but I've received a bunch of emails and I basically need to sort quite a few things out. So today's gonna be a lot more hectic. The thing is, I just knew, I was like, Melody, there's no way that you leaving packing to the day before is gonna be smooth. But yeah, so I'm just gonna write a to-do list and then we're just gonna try and do as much as possible in preparation to move back. Okay, so the to-do list, I don't know if you can see that, has been made. So the first thing I need to do is check in and sort out my flight. Okay, so a little update. I have now checked in to my flight and emailed my boarding pass. Okay, and I've also booked my storage boxes to come back. So basically, because I live so far away, I just put all my stuff in storage because I haven't bothered like taking it back up. So I have about 30 minutes to do some packing, do some cleaning before I head into town. So I'm just gonna pack now. So these two suitcases are gonna get like sent down, so I'm not gonna take them with me because it's a whole lot. But honestly, like, it's so long, but it's my own fault. So Indomie, very essential. This dress is literally so stunning, but there's just like no functions to wear it to. But I'm gonna just take it anyway. Okay, so I have managed to condense two suitcases into one, but I have more stuff upstairs, so I'm gonna run and get that. Effort. Okay, so a little update. We are a little later on in the, not a little later on, it's literally like 9 p.m. but everything's basically been packed. There's just a few things that need to go in, and there's a few things in the wash that I need to dry and put in as well. I am T for tired, but basically I'm gonna fill up one of these like atomizer things with, oh my goodness, this fragrance is everything. It is Black Opium in the Floral Shop version by YSL. Honestly, it'd be a dream to be a fragrance YouTuber. Like, it's literally my favorite niche. But yeah, I'm gonna pump this up so I can take it on. This is literally my favorite fragrance. It is like, it's just so like, it's a blend of like maturity with a little bit of like femininity, which is just like everything. Okay, so it is about 5 to 7 now. I have got ready, everything's packed and stuff like that, so I'm literally just chilling. I have booked my taxi just now, and then I am now gonna book the suitcase company to come and pick up my stuff. For those who might be sending stuff, I'm using my baggage. I think they do like Europe, like not just the UK, so it should be good. Okay, so should be getting it back by Friday, which is good.
to Heathrow in the latest weather. Thanks.
Okay, so I now my accommodation is a few hours later. I did some shopping, got some extra things, and just a lot of things happened, but I'm just gonna make my bed now and just sort of sort my room out for the rest of the evening. Yeah, we're going with red bedding. I don't know, I'm not sure what inspired this decision, but I don't really care. I'm so tired. So in my storage, I found some bedding, so I'm gonna swap this for that weird red bedding. I'm literally so tired, but that is basically the end of this move-in vlog. I've kind of got everything that I need for the next few days or so. There's more stuff coming, and I probably will try and like make it a bit more homely and rearrange things, but that is basically it. I will be trying to do more like LSE related vlogs, so stick around, subscribe if you're interested in that, and yeah, that's basically the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.